Good morning, folks. So today I'm going to try and cycle all around Chilliwack. It's a beautiful day, a rare beautiful day in winter. So we're gonna go on our giant escape and we're gonna try and cycle around Chilliwack, going from the Sardis side all the way to Rosedale and then back. This is the new bike path that they have made along the Keith Wilson. It is so much better than just riding along the shoulder, which gives me the creeps, given all these big trucks. So I'm so thankful to have this path here to be able to cycle and just really enjoy cycling, you know, instead of being scared of the oncoming traffic. If you are familiar with Chilliwack, we are going towards the Keith Wilson and the Vedder crossing. On our right, we will have the Vedder Park, and then the road going to Yarrow and Cultus Lake kind of goes on the right from the signal up ahead. So we are at the Keith Wilson and Vedder crossing now, and on our left you see the Garrison village. This area is being getting more and more shops and stores and retail, which is exciting, but also it's a major traffic hub over here. So I guess over time they'd have to come up with better traffic management around this area. So this is the Vedder Road, but we're gonna kind of peel off a little bit to the right because we kind of want to go outside of the city instead of going through the city. And we're going to take the country roads, so that's why we take the right turn and just go merge into Promontory Road. And also when we go this way we get a beautiful view of Mount Cheam. I'm not sure if the camera is able to catch it because the camera is on a lower height than I am, but it is absolutely gorgeous to see snow on the Cheam Peak. It just stands there alone above all the other peaks. And it's just very inviting. But today we decided to do cycling instead of hiking after a very long time. Just started my monitor so that I can track my activity today. And cheam has just opened up, and just the beauty of this mountain is it doesn't get old. It does not get old. On the left we have the G.W. Graham School. Now we are on Promontory Road, and on this signal we'll just go on to the Chilliwack River Road. And they have built a really nice multi-use path on this road now, so we should be good. Really nice multi-use path here for cycling and walking, obviously running as well, and I absolutely love it because usually the traffic on this road is quite fast, although it's a narrow road. So having this multi-use path really helps a lot with just being able to relax while you do your bike ride. And it is a beautiful road because you don't have that much construction around you in terms of tall buildings, so you get somewhat unobstructed views, which is always good. We'll just be passing by the Bailey landfill, but be cautious on this road because there's no bike path, and there's also this construction going on, so you can't even go on to the shoulder. So this is a tricky part of the journey, but we'll be very careful and just ride very carefully. So now we're approaching the Bailey landfill on the right hand side, and then also on the right hand side you'll see the promontory area. There's a lot of houses there, and we're approaching the Press Road and Bailey Road roundabout, and thankfully these drivers are very careful and respectful, and I really appreciate that that they are happy to share the road with us puny bikers, as opposed to their giant trucks. But at least the people in there are nice and sympathetic, so thank you for that. So there we have Promontory. The sun is just hiding behind the hill, so we'll get a little bit of a shade, but we'll come out in the sun again. Okay, so now we're approaching the climb to Elk. If you've hiked Mount Elk, you will know this path. As you can see, this is the first marker of 7 for Elk Mountain. But we're not going to go up on the mountain, we're just going to go on the left side, keep going around the mountain, because we want to get to that side of the city, to Rosedale. On the left hand side you might see these red bushes, and this is a blueberry farm, and in the winter the leaves get this reddish maroonish color. No traffic any side, so we'll just cross here and get onto this road. This road isn't ideal either. There's no bike path, but the hope is that any drivers are going to be careful and respectful and share the road. I could probably have gotten better bike paths if I went kind of into the city, but because today I'm trying to go around and avoid as much traffic as I can, I'm taking these paths, and given this time of the day, just after school drop off and stuff, I think we should be relatively safe. And also we get to enjoy the countryside, the beautiful horses on the farm over there. We might see some goats along the way, goats and sheep and chickens, so who doesn't like that, right? And there we have the good old show. Mountains and farms. There you go. The cows have added to the content. A little creek. It's a pretty huge farm. Oh, going downhill. Here's the goats we were talking about. Lovely goats. So now we're kind of starting to go north towards the highway. Out in the field, all the farms around us. We have Mount Cheam over there. We can see all the way to Harrison Lake area over there. Mission is over there. We're just surrounded by the beautiful mountains and the vastness of the farmland. Amazing. Of course, being in the farmland also means you get to smell the farms. Oh, look at all those birds. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. And lots of ducks over there. Over here, I think we see the white geese. I don't know if they are swans or geese. Might be swans. But a lot of them just feeding in the fields. Beautiful. So finally I've reached the house of a friend of mine. I think he wants to go with me for a bit. Oh, look at the view he gets of the ship. My God. Wow. Lo and behold, Mount Cheam. Vicky bhai, thanks for showing us Mount Cheam. This is We've hit Fraser River already, and this is a beautiful spot where you can see Mount Shuma over there. You can see the bridge that goes into Agassi on the other side, and here we see the river just kind of taking a little bit of a stroll to the side, slowing down. Beautiful rocks here. Along the way I've broken my stand, so I'm not able to make videos while riding the bike, but that's okay. I can stop every now and then and take a bit of a video. Okay, we have Vicky by here having some deep conversations. Beauty.